Well, hello there and a big greetings to you. I had a message from the support desk that we had some people with OptimizePress that wanted to use Video Live Pro for live events. So here's a super quick video to show you how to use OptimizePress, well actually how to use Video Live Pro with a site that has OptimizePress installed. So if you've got OptimizePress, no problem at all. You can still use Video Live Pro, which is super awesome. So here we are. I'm logged into a site which has OptimizePress installed. This is an OptimizePress site. And all you need to do is just go ahead and create a page that you're going to be using for your live videos. So here I've created a new page. I've just called it McDonald Live. And depending on the version of OptimizePress you're running, you might have two buttons here. One will say WordPress and the other one will say OptimizePress. If you see those two buttons, then just go ahead and click WordPress to get the WordPress options. So here I've got Video Live Pro installed. I can use this just like any other way I would with a site that doesn't have OptimizePress. So let's go and grab a video here. I'm just going to copy my video ID here and coming back, I'm just going to paste that in there. We've got to make this an auto replay setting. Why don't we just for fun do a scheduled replay for tomorrow at 2:30 p.m. and that's all I'm going to do to keep this video short. And now even though I'm using OptimizePress, I can still open this page and I'm getting the Video Live Pro. There we go, we see the countdown to the replay right here. So super easy, not complicated at all. Just go ahead and create a page. You can also do it in a post and then just set up your Video Live Pro that way, and it won't mess with the rest of your site, which is super awesome. And that's how I design most of the plugins that I can. It's not going to mess with your theme. It's not going to mess with any other pages on your site. It's super lightweight and super fast. So there we go. Video Live Pro with an OptimizePress WordPress site. See you in the next video.